Hey guys, this is a passionate food lover Shirley, and you're most welcome to my channel. On the menu today, Flaky meat pie. Now, I love meat pies. It goes well with almost any drink. I like mine with malt. What do you like yours with? Anyways, so for our meat pie, we would have flour, cold margarine, cold milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a half tablespoon of salt. Now, I think it's important for you to sieve your dry ingredients so that you do not have your salt being at one place and your baking powder also the other. You have to mix everything together. Didn't put any measurement on the flour and then the margarine because if you want more, you use more. If you want less, you use less. But first off, I started with 3 cups of flour and 1 cup of cold margarine. So I ended up adding a quarter of cold margarine to my mixture. After your margarine and flour mixture turns grainy, it's now time to add in your cold milk. I should point out, however, that you would want to add your cold milk gradually. This is because we do not want to turn our dough too soft. Now we are not looking for too soft of a dough and then too hard of a dough. We're looking for something in between. So not too soft, not too hard. So add your milk gradually. This dough really do not need a lot of mixing, so please make sure not to over mix it. Put your dough into a plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator for about an hour. Sure not to spread your dough too thin because a thin layer will make our meat pie hard, and that's not what we are looking for. We are looking to have a flaky meat pie. Cut your dough into different styles. I prefer the old-fashioned way, the round way, but you can cut it into squares, to triangles, whatever way you want it. It's up to you, honey. To use every little dough that you have. Do not waste it. I repeat, do not waste the dough. Use it. Edges of your dough with egg to seal them and to prevent it from breaking whilst baking. Now for my filling, I just went ahead to use corned beef, but you can use almost any vegetables in addition to minced meat, corned beef, fish, whatever you want. The list is endless, people. Poking holes into the inside of your meat pie helps it to bake just perfect. Brush your meat pie with egg to give it that golden brown look when it's done baking. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes and voila, your flaky meat pie is ready. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of the video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.